Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Kamukam College Shillong kakot admission haki degree but diploma course panong chef hotelier but QA pandep kapmania fila pan call haki niki number.
Ka Committee on Welfare of Scheduled Tribe, Scheduled Castes and other backward classes jong ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly hapo ka jingalam jong u MLA ka amlarem uba Lakman Rumbui kum u chairman kala priang buram bat shong jingalang but ki MLA jong ka Committee on Welfare of Scheduled Tribe, Scheduled Castes and other backward classes na ka Karnataka Legislative Assembly ha ka Laipotarik u Jemang Arjar Apsan ha Annex Hall Rilbong Shillong. Ha ka jelang bala penya da uba Lakman Rumboy la ya shimbentalang da u MLA ka Dadangri u Rupa M Marang but kit khot bakantop ya u Shibudas but Usagar CH Das, u Deputy Secretary, u Raja Kharpuri, ka Committee Officer, ka Kong L Mensong, but ka Kong Nicely Kharbuli. Kadba ya ka kenhun na ka Jala Karnataka, la lam khmat da u AR Krishnamurti, u Badayu MLA, jong ka Koligal, ringkat kiway pat MLA, bakentop ya u GH Srinivasa, u HV Venkatesh, u Gururaj Shetty, u Sidhu Patel, u Kiti Nikhil Umesh. Bat ki dikhot ka Legislative Council bakanthob yu Dr. Dhananjaya Sarji, bat u Balkis Banu. Na kalyang jong ka Karnataka Legislative Assembly Secretariat la mikma do Deputy Secretary u Shiva Ramachari, ka G Mamatha, ka badai ka Under Secretary bat u Sanction Officer u S Raja Shikhar.
Today we had a very fruitful meeting with the sister committee of ST, SC and OBC from Karnataka. They came all the way from Karnataka and we had a very good discussion about the welfare initiatives from Karnataka government and Meghalaya government. We exchange our views and opinions and share our experiences and what is the policy for the welfare of the OBC, ST, SC in Karnataka and here in our Meghalaya. So we exchange our views and ideas and opinions which would help in shaping the state and India in general. Thank you.